Hi, this is a how-to video on how to complete the Module 11 Roles of the President presentation. This is one of my favorites to have you do because you really get to dig deep on what the President does. So you will have a title slide, and then you will have a slide of, by the way, in the 18-week course, this is in Module 11. In the 6-week course, this would be in Module 4. They're detailed in Chapter 13 in your book, and you will have 8 roles of the President, okay? But you're going to have 11 slides. So first of all, you have a title slide. Then you'll have a slide for each role, provided the name of the role. So you'll need to have the name of the role, like Commander-in-Chief on one of them. Then you will provide a paragraph, a minimum of 3 very meaty, very detailed sentences. If you put the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the United States, well, that's already told to me in the title, so that one would not even count towards the minimum. So make sure you're writing 3 sentences that explain what the duties associated with the role are. Make sure you're not copying out of the book or not copying offline, because this will be submitted automatically to Turnitin.com. So make sure you are writing this in your own words. On each slide, include a symbol or illustration representing the particular role of the President. So if you use pictures of presidents, make sure you try to get different ones and not use the same one throughout the entire presentation. You can go, as far back as, Carter or Ford, whatever. You can go, you can do Reagan, you can do Bush, you can do Obama, you can do Trump, whatever you want to do, but try to include different presidents throughout. And you don't have to have a picture of that president doing the role, but you can use a symbol. But the pictures are usually more interesting. At the end of the slide presentation, choose which one role. If you tell me that they're all important and you write about all of them, you will not get points for that. So at the end of the slide presentation, choose which one role you feel is the most important and write a 5-sentence minimum paragraph reflecting why you feel that it is the most important role. You must choose only one role and must fully explain why you feel this is the most important role. You'll also have a work cited for your images and information. So your presentation will have 11 slides, a title slide, 1 for each of the 8 roles, 1 slide reflecting your opinion of the most important role, and a work cited. Make sure you check your similarity report. Again, it will automatically be submitted with the work cited. If it's more than 35% similarity, I will go in and look at it and say, okay, what are they copying? And if you're copying your information, then it's not accepted. Remember that JCS's policy is that if you are plagiarizing, you will get a strike from your EF and you'll get a 0 on the assignment from your specialist. So don't make me do that. Make sure you are writing everything in your own words. Thanks.